A major explosion was reported near Delhi's iconic Red Fort.
क्लियर बनाइए, मेरे पास सेंड कर दिए।
According to Delhi Fire Services, a blast occurred in a parked car near Red Fort metro station. The explosion was powerful enough to set 2 to 3 nearby vehicles on fire. The incident happened at one of Delhi's busiest tourist and amid heightened security concerns in Delhi just recently, raising terror alert levels. More details are awaited. Stay safe, stay tuned for updates.